Thank you. Hi everybody, Belinda here. Today I've decided I'm going to be doing a flip cup. Before I forget, I'm going to add 1 drop of silicone, or maybe 2. Let's go with 2. 1, 2. I don't ordinarily like to use silicone, but sometimes it just calls for it. Give that a good stir. This color here is antique white. And this is yellow ochre. And my paint consistency, very, very thick. And I have burnt sienna. Right, so I'm working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and layer my colors. I think I'm going to go in with this beautiful antique white. And this brown, it's almost like a chocolate brown. Probably going a little bit too fast because it's sinking. It's better. So if you haven't watched the macaw video that I put up, the colors inspired, so I went to the zoo. I was fortunate enough, as a thank you from I do some charity work. A whole bunch of us were taken to the zoo as a thank you, which was absolutely fantastic. So of course this is now the colors inspired by the giraffe. And we were fortunate enough also to get to feed the giraffe. That giraffe must have been very happy. They're so majestic and so dainty. They're just, when they take the carrots from you, they're so gentle. Absolutely amazing animal. This seems like quite a bit of paint. Probably is. I do have deep edges on this one, so I'd like to get a good coverage without hopefully stretching too much. Right, so I have the back of my canvas taped. I haven't done a flip cup in ages. I think when I very first started doing acrylic pours years and years ago, I think everybody probably starts out with a flip cup and a just random straight pours. See what happens here. Oh, that's yeah, a lot of paint. Okay. Nice colors though. Those colors look amazing. Lots of bubbles. So I'll give that a torch. Oh, I'll have to use my big one, guys. Scary stuff. Just go very gentle and not shake it too much. It should be okay. I don't think I'm getting close enough. So I can see the cells are popping up already. That I'm quite happy about. No wild flames today. Well, not yet. I might be talking a little bit too soon. Okay. I really, really like this. These colors are amazing. Let me just put some paint down on the corners. Get that moving. Okie dokie. Now I feel as though I have a bit too much yellow on this side here, so I'd like to just get rid of some of that first. And then I'll come off this end here. I'm trying not to lose too much off the edge there. I'm loving the cells. Let's just go off this corner here. Those cells are really, really pretty. They're looking great. Okay, I'll turn it around. Don't really want to lose that. I'm trying to keep this here because that looks really, really nice. But it doesn't matter how I look at it, I'm going to have to go off the edge. There is still quite a lot of paint on here, so I can just play around with it. take it off there. There is a lot of paint on here. And most of my beautiful cells have disappeared. Okay, I'm going to take it off that corner over there because I seem to have quite a bit of paint still. If I don't take it off, it is definitely going to crack. Okay guys, I'm going to give this a torch and I'm going to touch up my corners and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so I've even got cells hanging off the edge, which is pretty cool. Just show you the cells on this side. Looks great. All those cells. And I really like the colors. The cells are beautiful. They're so well formed. And some of them are yellow, some of them are brown, as you would imagine. And some of them have got rings of color. So it's just rings within rings and within rings of color. So all in all, I think this turned out wonderfully. Really beautiful. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Just a quick one. And hope you all stay well. If you're interested in any of my artwork, give me an email, flip me an email on withBade@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.